Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We got the homie Braxton here. You already know, as you can see by what you guys looking at, we got little muffler delete. The brand is called Blox.
Axle back.
Yeah. Little something. Let me show y'all the car real quick. As y'all can see, WRX 2018, bro. This shit nice. I just got this like last week, Monday of last week. Yeah, I waited all morning just to get this, bro. I almost got unmotivated for a second. How's it look under there?
Is it hot?
Hot? Probably. We just came back, dumbass. Oh yeah, because I forgot.
It's not even hot.
Oh, it's not?
We're chilling.
Nah, but we just came back from Walmart. I was thinking of jack stand, but you know, I wasn't trying to go all out, so I got these. There we go.
Just make sure rust doesn't fall in your eye or something.
Yeah, you're right. That's kind of how I was thinking. I ain't trying to be like that one kid. Who was it? Wasn't it? What's that one fat kid that went to our school? Fuck, I forgot his name. He's a little weird, nerdy kid.
Rust went in his eye?
Yeah. For like a whole week, bro. It looked like he had straight pink eye or some shit.
This is the worst camera angle, bro. I'm gonna be honest. You can see you're really working away.
Yeah.
At least it's not cold today, like it was the other day when you crawled under there.
Exactly.
Couldn't feel my fingers after 2 minutes. Was that lightning, bro?
What?
Was that lightning, or did you just take a picture?
That was my flash.
Oh.
You thought it was lightning?
Yeah.
Bro, what do you mean? This camera angle's pretty good if I'm being honest. Alright guys, after like 20 minutes, no I'm just kidding, not 20 minutes, like some time, yeah, it took us a little bit of time to get that one off. We finally get that one off. And then we finna be installing the new one, the new axle back.
Pull it. Alright.
My neck hurts.
Pull it. I don't think you understand, bro. It's actually.
Here, switch me sides, bro.
It's about to get dark, too.
Push it, push it, push, ah. Oh. It's literally almost there, bro. I could literally feel it move. There you go. Sounds a little bit meaner. I ain't gonna cap, bro. A little bit more meaner.
Truck mode.
Huh?
Truck mode. Alright.
What you think? What's up? Was that a little crackle I heard? I know you want to sit in and give it a rev. Let me hear it.
Trying to go down the road.
Yeah, you're right. Let me hear it from the outside though. Give it a little bit more. Yeah. Go again. Yo. Damn.
Loud.
It's pretty loud, bro. I mean, it's not the loudest.
Turbo. lot more.
Damn.
Oh wait, he's coming. That was pretty quick. I couldn't even, you know. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.